Today I'll show you how to fix this clamp-on LED ring light. And what happened is at home somebody pulled on the wire, and while the switch was stuck, the wire got disconnected. So I'll show you how to solder it back in and make it work. It's a three-way switch, so it has a warm light, off, and a white light. So we're going to open it up and resolder it. So the first thing you want to do is mark it which way you're going to open, because one way works better than the other. So just take a very sharp flathead and then pry it open gently. Now the way the wiring goes, okay, so I'll hold it in a way that the USB side is on the left and the lamp side will be on the right. So the way it goes is that the red connects to the red, the black coming from the USB connects to the middle. The black coming from the light, LED light, connects to the extreme left, right here. And then the white coming from the light connects to the extreme right, right over here. So, and one thing that I noticed is the red was just soldered this way and was exposed. And I would like to improve by adding a shrink wrapping to it, heat shrink. So I will start by cleaning these wires up, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just get rid of the tips. There you go. And then we're gonna start soldering. So as I said, the heat shrink here, it's a size 2. So I'll be using some helping hands. And then just move the heat shrink on it, and then use a little lighter. That's it. So next will be to connect the white one here and the black one there. And then now finally the black one onto the extreme left. And that's it. All you need to do is now close it up. Just like that. And now the red wire is safely insulated. The white side to the white side. And then just press it. So now let's give it a try. So once again, if you hold the top part, the light, and you press the top, it's a bright white, and then lower part is the warmer light. And there you go, a second chance of life for your home light.